Hi everyone. If you've ever struggled to create clean nail art, don't worry, this design is much easier than it looks. Today, I'll show you how to create this elegant purple bow nail set step by step. So, let's get started. First, apply your favorite base color. I'm using a beautiful purple gel polish, but you can choose any shade you love. Apply 2 thin coats to all the nails, curing each layer completely. Beginner tip: don't worry about making everything perfect. Nail art gets better with practice. Practice is the key to improving your nail art skills. Even simple techniques can create a beautiful, professional-looking design. Little details like these make the final look even more elegant. Next, apply a layer of top coat over every nail. This is one of my favorite tricks. It protects your base color, so if you make a mistake while creating the design, it's easy to wipe it away without ruining your manicure. This design is perfect for beginners who want to build confidence. Don't worry if your first attempt isn't perfect. Every set helps you improve. If you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to like the video. It really helps support the channel. Now it's time to start the design. On the first accent nail, I'm using a sponge with white gel polish. Gently dab the sponge onto the nail to create a soft, cloudy texture. This abstract effect is super beginner-friendly, and every nail turns out beautifully unique. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried the sponge nail art technique? Now let's move on to the French tips. Using a fine liner brush, carefully create clean French tips on 3 nails. Work slowly and don't rush. Taking your time is the secret to getting smooth, even smile lines. Once all 3 French tips are finished, cure them. Now, let's add the cutest detail, the bow. Start by drawing the 2 loops, then add the center of the bow, and finally the ribbon tails using small, delicate strokes. If your first bow isn't perfect, that's completely okay. Every set helps improve your brush control. Once you're happy with it, cure the design. And that's it. Our elegant purple bow nail design is complete. It's perfect for parties, weddings, or whenever you want a soft and classy manicure. I'm applying a light layer of glitter to both sponge-designed nails. A little glitter adds just the right amount of shine while keeping the design elegant and classy. Finally, apply a glossy top coat to every nail and cure one last time for a smooth, long-lasting finish. A glossy top coat brings everything together and gives the design a beautiful finish. Now it's time to add a little sparkle. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, it really supports the channel. And if you're just getting started with nail art, make sure to subscribe, because I post easy, beginner-friendly nail tutorials every week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!